Paradox Alarm strives to provide those based in and around Sydney with simply superior protection against the ever-present threat of burglary and trespassing. We install, service, maintenance Paradox alarm systems. Pet-friendly Paradox alarm system, pet-proof sensors up to 40 kgs, pet inside while alarm is on, Paradox DG70 hardwired, Paradox PMD75 wireless. Paradox package hardwired pet-proof. Paradox wireless alarm package. We accept credit card, EFTPOS, PayPal, cash, EFT payments. We are COVID-19 safe, Agile Gold membership, 100% satisfaction guaranteed.